Hi, I'm Deepa Devarajan, an interior designer for Purple Dreams. And today I'm going to cover my new creation, which is Hair Master Salon, which is located in Punjabi Bagh, the most happening place of West Delhi. I would like to bring your attention to the most important focal point of the salon, which is the flooring. We have created with tiles, but it looks like an amazing marble flooring. And then we had this whole wall there. So what we have done is we have broken this wall and we have made it into the whole huge place so that the whole place can look interconnected. And another beautiful part of the salon is this reception waiting lounge, which we have created 2 separate lounges. And then we have the most beautiful part is the retail section. So you can see all the products which is displayed here. This is the leading styling station area, and we have created back-to-back styling stations here. And idea is to keep it open, not claustrophobic. So that's why we have not put in too much of styling stations here. Again, I would like to take you through one of the most important aspect, which is the wall. The idea is to create the most luxurious salon, keeping in mind that it should not look overboard, because I had to play with the element gold. So even in the walls, I have used the gold element very subtly. And what we have done is we have broken the salon area by giving a sitting out area here so that a client can relax here. And then I have created another sit out area where the client can come and take their shoots, like a selfie shoot. I would like to say something about this styling station, which is like huge, almost 8 feet, and it is backlit. And of course, I have added a little golden element. As you can see, it's all golden thing. Of course, the wall has to complement this styling station. So I have created this wall element. This was a pillar before. So I didn't want to make it look like a pillar. So I have created an element by putting black lacquered glass here, and it has cove lighting. And I have given wallpaper, all subtly complementing each other. This is called the color bar, where we have all the colors displayed here through numbers, so that the client can come here, choose the colors, and all the colors are displayed here. And this is called the backwash area. Again, the whole wall detailing, which you can see, the cabinet which is very well lit, is the most important part of the salon. In salon, we take care of 4 important aspects. One is the reception area, second is the waiting, third is the styling station, fourth is the back bar area. So this is the most important part of the salon, designing. And here comes the nail art. What we have done is, because this place is little secluded inside, so I wanted to show that this is a nail area which is not that boring. So we have created like a selfie wall on this. We have written nail studio, and we have created some element with flowers. Welcome to the first floor, which is exclusive barber section. I have used a very different concept, starting from the floor, ceiling, and even the styling stations are different. So let me take you to the styling station. Again, this is a back-to-back styling station, which is not placed in a usual way. So I've tried to give even the placement in a very tilted, unique style. The best part of this salon is this space, which is all glass facade. But as you know that it has too much of sunlight coming in. So keeping in mind the concept in mind, what I have done is, instead of using any blinds or roller blinds, I have used drapes, so that it can gel well with the concept. This is the barber chair exclusively for men, and we have created a separate reception area also. This is the backwash area which we have, again specially for the barber section. Let me take you to the most important part of the barber section, which is like a chamber, like a private chamber which we have created. So I'm going to unveil it for you right now. And it has a beautiful chandelier, and I have created the flooring also very barberish look. And then I can see even the counter is like one big lavish cabin for a person to enjoy his services. As you know, men are very uncomfortable using the facial rooms, and they are very impatient, so they can't stay long hours on the facial room. So we have created these chambers where they can get all the services on this chair, starting from their haircut, massage, facials, whatever. So it's like a private chamber. You can use it, you can reserve this room for 1.5 hours, and you can relax yourself. Welcome to the second floor, which is an exclusive spa section for ladies. So let me quickly take you through the floor. This is an exclusive pedicure section which we have created here, keeping in mind the privacy of the client. And also this is the most important part of the salon, which is like the branding which we have created here, so that the client can come here, click pictures और अपने Instagram में और Facebook के लिए यहाँ पर वो pictures click कर सकते हैं और वो डाल सकते हैं इसमें. So what we have done is we have segregated this area because this is the pedi spa section. So for this I don't want to put any opaque partition and all, because you know it has to be a little airy and openness. So I have used this rafter partition. This is special jacuzzi pedi spa. This is called a special jacuzzi pedi spa. It has a massager, and you can while getting your pedicure done, you can get your back massaged as well, because this chair is exclusively designed it like that. And as you are enjoying, you don't want to get disturbed, so we have created a curtain. We have used drapes here to have privacy between two clients. And the best part is that this has a view. To go with the mood, what I have done here, we have used the special Moroccan lights here, because the light is very dim. So when you get your services done, we switch off all this light and just this light is on, so that you can actually get into the mood. You can enjoy your tea, coffee, and for that we have created this lounge for you, so that you don't have to rush. आपको जल्दी जल्दी भागने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आप एक मूड में जब आपने स्पा कराया है, आप उसको मूड में थोड़ा सा एन्जॉय कीजिए. तो दिस वी हैव क्रिएटेड दिस. So this is the pedi spa section, and this is the body spa section. So this section has 12 rooms. We have 2 rooms with exclusive shower area for body polishing and body massage. Let me give you a sneak peek of one of the rooms. So this is our facial room. This has a shower cubicle. You can get your massage done, and then after taking a shower you can get yourself dressed. For that we have used a peppy color. So you can see a client can get ready here.
I am Jagjit Batra, owner and director of the Hair Master Salon Private Limited. अभी हम अपनी मेन ब्रांच पंजाबी बाग न्यू दिल्ली से बोल रहे हैं. ये सेंटर हमने अभी पूरा रीडेवलप कराया है दीपा जी से. जैसे इन्होंने हमारे से प्रॉमिस किया था कि एक बार काम करा के देखिए, आपको सेटिस्फेक्शन मिलेगी, तो इन्होंने बहुत हमें सेटिस्फाई किया. हमारे अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट जितने हैं सब दीपा ही बना रही है, और बहुत अच्छे जो कमिटमेंट थी उसने पूरा किया, उसी समय पूरा किया, और बहुत सुंदर बना है. जो भी लोग देखने आते हैं बहुत सेटिस्फाई होकर जाते हैं कि हमने ऐसा ऑफिस नहीं देखा और ऐसा सैलून नहीं देखा. हमारे बहुत सारे अपकमिंग सैलून्स और आ रहे हैं. अप टू 2024 तक हमारे 50 सैलून होने की पूरी उम्मीद है, और सारे वो दीपा ही बनाएगी. इनका काम करने का तरीका बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत प्रोफेशनलिज्म है, बड़े तरीके से इन टाइम बनाती हैं, कोई तंग नहीं करती. इससे पहले हमने जितने भी कॉन्ट्रैक्टर लिए या आर्किटेक्ट लिए, उन्होंने टाइम पे काम पूरा नहीं किया. तो इसमें हम इनसे बहुत खुश हैं. और इस समय रिकॉर्डिंग करते समय मैं ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि इनका काम 101% सेटिस्फाइड है.
Hi, my name is Danish Batra. I am director of Hair Masters Luxury Salon. We have 22 salons all over India, like in Mumbai, Delhi, Gurugram, Chandigarh, Punjab, UP for sure, Noida, and one in Agra. Apart from this, हमारा दीपा के साथ experience, we have very good experience with दीपा. क्योंकि अभी हमने इनसे पंजाबी बाग जो हमारी जो मेन जो ब्रांच है, जो हमारा हेड ऑफिस है, समझ लो जो हमारी मेन जो ब्रांच है, वो हमने इनसे अभी पूरी रीलोकेट करी है हमने. तो पूरी की पूरी ब्रांच अभी दीपा नहीं बनाएंगे, फ्रॉम बेसमेंट टू ग्राउंड, फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, सबको दीपा नहीं किया है. एंड हमारा अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा इन टर्म्स ऑफ इंटीरियर्स, एग्जीक्यूशन, एवरीथिंग. विजिट्स बहुत ज़्यादा थी, काफ़ी पर्सनल टच के साथ ये काम करती हैं, सारा दिन खुद सुपरवाइज़ करती हैं कि भाई कौन सी चीज़ कैसे हो रही है. उसके बाद फिर हमने इनको आफ्टर पंजाबी बाग हमने इनको नोएडा की ब्रांच दी. इन्होंने हमारी नोएडा की ब्रांच करी. उसके बाद हमने इनको मोहाली की ब्रांच दी, विच इज़ अबाउट टू कंप्लीट. फिर उसके बाद हमने इनको साउथ पॉइंट मॉल में अपनी एक्सपेंशन जो हम ब्रांच कर रहे हैं वो दी. हमने इनको बॉम्बे में एक ब्रांच दी. तो ऑलमोस्ट मैं इनके साथ 6-7 सैलून्स तो अभी कर चुका हूँ, और आगे भी होप करता हूँ कि भी ऐसे ही हमारी एसोसिएशन इनके साथ बनी रहेगी. और बाकी तो भगवान मालिक है, देखो कितने और नए सैलून्स खुलते हैं। बाकी हमारे को इनके साथ काम करने में हमारा एक्सपीरियंस टचवुड बहुत अच्छा रहा।
Now we have come to the end of the complete tour of this Hair Master Salon, which is located in Punjabi Bagh Club Road, the most luxurious salon of Delhi. If you have any queries, please free to contact on the below given numbers, and see you soon in my next video.